Hey JP, thanks for reaching out on Facebook. Wanted to put this quick video review together for you. Just kind of give you some tips and tricks, show you what the competition's doing, show you what you might be able to do better, give you a little free attack plan on how to outrank your local competition and what you do. Now, I've got your site pulled up. There's generally three things that I like to go over: content, citations, and backlinks. We'll get into what that is. Scrolling down through your site, the overall layout and everything on your site looks great. I really do like everything you've got on here. But when it comes to content, Google is looking for about 1,500 words on this home page and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. The reason for that is they want you to organically fit those keywords and keyword phrases that people are searching on Google into the content on your site. They want to know that if somebody's looking for pressure washing or lawn care in the Tampa Bay area, that is what your website talks about. So they want to see those keywords that people are typing in. If we go over here and look, there's a couple other guys that I found. Again, good looking site. It's got lots of pictures, videos, all that kind of stuff on there. But he's still pretty short on that content. He may have 1,000 words on here when you put all these little paragraphs together, but he's still not quite there. If we go over here and look, another nice page, good layout. He's got some content in here, several little paragraphs here and there, but still not anywhere near that 1,500 mark. So these guys, content-wise, would not be terribly hard to beat out. Ahrefs is one of the paid tools that we have, and currently you're showing up for 64 keywords, and we can go in and see what those are. You do have the right type of keywords in here. These are ones I like to see. You've got pressure washing Riverview, pressure washing Brandon, pressure washing Brandon FL. You've got some of those cities and stuff in there. Those are the type of keywords I like to see. I call them generic keywords because they say what you do and where you do it. That is the type of stuff that people are looking for online. Here there's 30 people a month looking for this one, but you're in the 21st position. However, you can see these little green here. Your site has been moving up, so you're doing something right. You're not quite up on that first page yet, but you're definitely moving in the right direction. This is spot number 21. That's right at the top of the third page. So you are on your way up. So whatever you're doing, keep doing it. You're moving in the right direction. And if you do need any more help with that, feel free to reach out and we can see what we can do for you. But, looking here, these guys have 184 keywords. These guys have 1,700, which is a ton. My guess is they're working in a lot of different areas, and they're also doing a lot of commercial stuff, I think. But so, they've got pressure washing Tampa, 100 people a month searching for that. They're in the #1 position, and they're getting 39 visits a month to their site. Pressure washing Tampa without the FL, there's 80 people a month searching that. They're in the #1 spot. They're getting 26 visits a month to their site because of it. So, think about that right there. They're looking 60 to 70 visits a month to their site from just 2 keywords being in that #1 spot. What would an extra 60 to 70 people coming to your site per month do for your business? The second thing that I like to talk about are your citations. This right here is what we call the Google Map Pack. You should have a Google My Business page set up, but what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number, exactly the way that it's listed on your Google My Business page, put into multiple directories across the internet. There's Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle, hundreds and hundreds of these out there. It's just a matter of finding them, getting signed up for them, and getting your information in there. Most of them are free to do. It is something you could do on your own. It just takes a ton of time to track them all down and get all the information entered. Some of the other factors into getting into this top 3 would be your star rating, the number of reviews that you have, whether or not your Google My Business page is 100% completely filled out, how many pictures you have on that page, and whether or not everything is properly optimized. All stuff we can help you with if you need it, but most of it you can do on your own. It just takes a lot of time and a lot of homework to get it done and make sure that it's done right. The third thing would be your backlinks, and you're doing pretty good there too. You've got 92. what a backlink is any site that has a link back to your site. So say that you do have a listing in Yellow Pages and I find that listing in there. Somewhere in that listing, there's probably a button or something I can click on that will take me directly to your website. And that is what a backlink is. It's kind of a popularity contest. The more you have, the more popular Google thinks you are, and the more authority they're going to give you. But side note, not all backlinks are created equal. You do not want to get into a bunch of spammy backlinks because they can actually pull your site down. You know, if we go over here, we'll take a look at what the other guys have. You know, this guy's got 147. This guy's got 891. So this guy's killing it on the backlinks. But we can go in here and see where this guy's getting his backlinks from. You know, this one is a blog post. You know, this is also a blog post. So, you know, there's blog posts that you can do, like if you go find a blog about pressure washing and read up on some of the articles, post some comments, put a link back to your site. You know, some of those will give you backlinks. Some of your citations give you backlinks. There's lots of ways to get them. But one of the things that we can do with the tools we have is go in here and look at these backlinks, see where he's getting them from, see if they are the right type of backlinks with the right power and authority that we want on your page, and go in and try to get you links on those exact same pages. I call it the copycat method. You find the guy that's winning, you copy what he's doing, or at least the parts of it that you want, and then go out and find some more on your own. Kind of beat this guy out of his own game. But that is my basic overview for you. Yeah, I hope it helps you out. If you need help with any of that, feel free to reach out to me. You know how to get a hold of me. I would like to thank you for your time, and have a great day.